Raoyang Hongyuan Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2006, is a tech-type enterprise in Hebei Province. It is a specialized enterprise in manufacturing hydraulic test pump of original Ministry of Machine Building and Electronics industry, experiencing many hardships and indomitable struggle of several decades. It has owned modern standard factory building with an area of more than 20,000 square meters and total assets of over $100 million. The corporation is a professional enterprise that engages in R&D, manufacturing, selling, and technical service products, such as filling equipment and pressure detection equipment. The corporation has enormous potentiality in science and technology development, advanced manufacturing facilities, complete test conditions, and scientific modern management system, and passed ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification and CE certificate. In recent years, our new products like high-pressure test pump, numerical lock pipe machine, and high-precision dry power filling product line have gotten good reputation in home and overseas market. GFM 8-2 filling machine got national utility type patents. Now, all fire extinguisher cylinder making equipments, hose crimping equipment are selling very well in market. Our products sold throughout the country and exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Africa, Asian, and so on. Our target is pursuing perfect quality and fulfilling every customer needs. Warmly welcome new and old customers to visit the factory and develop brilliant tomorrow with you.